Okay, I'm using eggs carton or eggs crepe as the material for this decor. And if you have been following my channel, you know that I like to use a lot of recycled materials. I'm gonna let this dry for 28 to 48 hours before I complete the entire set of the project, and you're gonna see that in this video. So guys, this is another unique project I'm working on. This is more like a modern contemporary and it's unique. All the content in this project are unique and you're going to see that. So for this design, what I'm using is cardboard, carton, and recycled material, and I also use conventional material, but yeah, so we're gonna go like this first. First I'm going like this, is okay, going like this first, like this I think. Like this, and that's the first step I'm gonna do right now. So I'm gonna put my wood glue first. It is all dry now, and I'm getting ready to apply cement to give this a more durable and harder surface. And as you can see there, I'm using my hands. I'm using the brush to apply this concrete. And you can also see that I'm using my hands to have the concrete, or to apply the concrete in all those open spaces, because you want to ensure that all those spaces are covered with concrete, because that's how your decor or your project is going to have resistance or touch resistance. So guys, you can see here, once I was done with the top part, I took it outside and let it dry, and now I'm doing the under part. So if you're doing this design, this is eggs carton or eggs crepe. You want to make sure, or you want to also do the back part, because you want it to be durable and you want it to be strong. And so I'm coating the back right now with cement, as you can see. So guys, that white sculpture I just created and that silver sculpture vase I just created together with that dye painting. This is the wall hanging art that goes with that, and I've already painted it off-white. I mixed this myself, and so now this is very texturized. Already texturized it with cement as you have already seen in the video. So right now I'm going to paint it silver because I want a bit of silver to this. And so as you can see, I still have that white, some of the residue of the white paint left, but I'm not going to wash it, or I'm just going to put the silver over it and start to do the painting and see how that turns out. But yeah, I'm gonna do silver right now. So guys, I have painted this, and this is more on the glance side, even though it's cement, even though it's texturized with cement, but it's more on the glance side. So I will be using some sparkles in this, and what I have in here is clear glue. I didn't clean the tray because it's the same silver in there, and I'm just gonna go over this with the glue. So guys, it's dry. You can see the gleam in it, and I will also be using these rhinestones to beautify this and this wall hanging decor. And I have already started putting the stones in. I'm not going to use hot glue because this is cement, and hot glue doesn't stick well to cement, so instead I'll be using clear glue, the same kind of clear glue I use to put in these sparkles.